Welcome to my vlog! Kung bago ka sa channel ko at nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga lessons na pag-aaralan natin.
And for today's video, ating pag-aaralan ng double entry bookkeeping system.
Okay, classmates. So, ano nga ba ulit ang double entry bookkeeping? Sabi natin, ito ay ang sistema ng pagre-record ng business transaction kung saan tinitignan natin ang financial impact in terms of debit and credit effects to the financial statement accounts. By the way, classmate, makikita natin dito sa kanan ang isang general journal. Ito yung basic form ng journal na ginagamit ng isang business. So, ang journal ay ang recording tool na ginagamit sa business kung saan doon inililista lahat ng transactions na na-incur within the period. So, i-apply natin yung konsepto ng double entry bookkeeping sa sample transactions na meron si Bright Vachirawit Company for the month of October 2020. Pero bago yan, tignan muna natin kung ano-ano bang elements meron ng isang general journal. So, dito makikita natin ang date, which is ang date ng transaction, kung kailan nangyari yung transaction ng business. Account title, ito yung financial statement element or financial statement account na naapektuhan nung isang transaction. Transaction description, ito naman yung nagde-describe kung ano ba yung klase ng transaction na nangyari on a certain period. Then, debit and credit amount, so syempre ito yung tumutukoy dun sa kung magkano yung financial effect ng transaction. So, simulan na natin yung pag-record ng transaction. On October 1, 2020, the owner invested 100,000 cash in the business. So, sabi, ang owner daw ay nagbigay ng initial contribution sa business ng 100,000. So, i-record natin, unahin natin yung date, 1 October 2020. Then, since ito ay investment in cash or initial contribution in cash, so debit cash, and credit, capital. Pero syempre, since ito ay sole proprietorship company, ang way ng pagre-record ng capital ay nilalagyan ng surname nung may-ari. So, Vachirawit Capital. Ito ay initial capital contribution. So, magkano daw? 100,000 debit and credit 100,000. So, tatandaan natin, ang double entry bookkeeping ay pagre-record ng transaction kung saan dapat balanse ang debit mo at credit mo. So, next transaction on October 3, 2020, delivery equipment was purchased on account for 45,000. So, ang sinasabi dito, bumili daw yung company or si Bright Vachirawit ng delivery equipment through utang. So, paano natin yung i-record? So, on October 3, so, meron tayong delivery equipment, debit delivery equipment. Tapos, credit accounts payable. Kasi nga, ito ay inutang. So, purchase delivery equipment on account. Magkano daw? 45,000. Third transaction on October 5, 2020, office equipment was purchased and paid for 7,500. So, dito naman bumili ng office equipment through cash. So, October 5 and 2020. So, office equipment, credit cash, so purchase, office equipment by cash. So, magkano? 7,500 debit, credit, 7,500. So, for transaction on October 7, 2020, wages were paid amounting to 3,500. So, 7, 10, 2020. So, nagbayad daw ng sweldo ng empleyado. So, gamitin natin dito yung salaries, expense, credit, cash. So, paid wages to employees. Ano daw yan? 3,500. Debit and credit, 3,500. Then, on October 9, 2020, rendered services to a customer on account amounting to 20,000. So, sa araw na ton, kumita na siya. So, nag-render siya ng services. And since by nature ng transaction, nagre-render pala siya, isa pala siyang service company, ang gagamitin natin dito ay service revenue account. So, October 9, 2020, since on account ito, magre-recognize tayo ng receivable from customer. So, debit accounts, receivable. Credit, service revenue. Okay. Rendered services on account. Kano daw yon? 20,000 debit, credit 20,000 service revenue. Then on October 11, borrowed 30,000 from the bank on a note. So dito sa araw na to, nangutang siya sa bangko ng halagang 30,000 by issuing a promissory note. Promissory note, ito yung parang kasulatan na nagsasabi na babayaran mo yung ganitong amount sa ganitong date. So, 11, 10, 2020. So, naka-receive tayo ng cash dahil nangutang tayo sa bangko. Debit cash and credit. Notes payable. So, borrowed cash from the bank through note. Okay, magkano yung inutang niya? 30,000 debit and credit 30,000. So, then on October 13, 2020, 10,000 was received from a customer for services performed. So, dito nakakolekta na tayo. Nakakolekta na si Bright from the customer on previous services rendered. So, 13, 10, 2020. So, since nakakolekta tayo, makaka-receive tayo ng cash. At mababawasan yung accounts receivable natin from the customer. Credit, accounts receivable. Collection of receivable. Magkano daw yun? 10,000. Debit, credit 10,000 for accounts receivable. Then, on October 21, 2020, paid electricity and telephone bills for 3,000. So, 21, 10, 2020. So, dito, sabi natin, ang electricity, telephone, water ay pumapasok sa account na utilities. So, debit tayo ng utilities expense. And credit, cash. So, paid electricity and telephone bill. $3,000. So by the way, dito guys sa utilities, ni-record lang muna natin siya parang on the spot, as if parang ngayon natin na pagka-receive natin nung bill, binayaran na natin. Pero usually kasi nare-record muna siya initially as payables or accrued payables. So parang debit utilities expense, credit accrued utilities payable. Tapos kapag nabayaran na siya in actual, debit utilities, accrued utilities payable, credit cash. Pero for the sake of this example, ganito muna natin siya i-record. Then October 25, 2020, an invoice was received from Win Gas Station for 1,500 for gas and oil use. So 25/10/2020. So, debit tayo ng gas and oil expense. And credit accounts payable. Kasi naka-receive pa lang tayo ng invoice. So, meaning magre-recognize pa lang tayo ng expense na na-incurred natin. So, wala pang bayad. Invoice or gas station or gas and oil used. Okay, so magkano daw yon? 1,500 debit, credit 1,500. And last transaction on October 30, 2020, paid the delivery equipment purchase on October 3, 2020. So, yung binili mo daw na delivery equipment on account ng October 3, 2020, binayaran mo na in cash. So, 30/10/2020. So, balikan natin paano ba natin na-record yung delivery equipment. So, initially, na-record natin siya as debit delivery equipment, credit accounts payable. So, ngayon, yung inutang daw natin ng October 3, babayaran na natin ngayong October 30. So, ide-debit na natin yung accounts payable. Credit cash. So, gayahin lang din natin to, paid delivery equipment. Initially purchased on account. So, magkano daw yon? 45,000. Debit accounts payable 45,000 and credit cash 45,000. So, ayan classmates, natapos natin yung pag-record ng transactions using the double entry bookkeeping system or concept. O diba madali lang? At dyan na nga nagtatapos ang ating lesson for today, classmates. I hope marami kang natutunan sa araw na ito. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!